Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Smile Like Philippines. It's Sunday afternoon. We're here in SM City Clark and it's also the last week of October.
Yeah, in the parking in SM City Clark. And we're going to meet with Georgi. Georgi now wait in the SM. We can find foods in SM. Full parking in SM already prepared for Halloween and for Christmas also. We can show. We use mobile phone, that's why maybe quality of video not so good. Shaira, one subscriber asking about jeepney to CDC Park. Can we show now jeepney and which color?
Not here.
Not here, not from SM Clark.
Yes, from the main gate inside.
Only from main gate. Here don't have jeepney to center of Clark. You can ask.
Don't have here, I know.
You just ask. Maybe
Let's
some.
go to Cora, Marty Mall.
Only. So only from SM.
More
From terminal only.
Yes.
Main gate terminal, not from SM Clark.
Yes. Where workers go there in work, they use that place. Go to like Florida.
Florida.
Cora. From Porac.
To Porac. I think so many people in SM now. Where Georgi? Georgi use location right now. Georgi. Okay, let's go. Where you want it? Savary so many people. Because today is Sunday and different menu. Shaira, what you think? Where better? Huh? Greenwich? You want Greenwich? Okay, let's go to Greenwich. Greenwich menu.
For dining. Tapos isang 20 minutes.
Georgi, but you want chicken? Chicken menu? I don't know. With spaghetti, chicken with spaghetti also.
Hi guys, we're here in Greenwich and we ordered food. This is total of 189. It's meal A and this one is pizza wrap.
I can open.
149. It's with pizza. Again,
No, it's pineapple pizza.
this one is rice.
Not pineapple. It's what, Georgi? What name of this pizza? Gavanian pizza. Yes, Gavanian pizza with pineapple.
Hawaiian.
Hawaiian. Yeah, you can say good in English. It's enough, Shaira, for you? Maybe. Because maybe some of people, new subscribers say, oh, Leon not fit Shaira, and that's why she skinny always. You say yes.
My normal body.
Even I can give to her this one, and this. We can give all to Shaira. She will same. What you thinking, Georgi, about this chicken? You say so much fry.
So many people right now and so many children with costume right now because it's Halloween here in SM. Good there.
So many decoration.
Wonder Woman 103 and Maleficent. Yes, and here is Zelda's in 3, 2, and 1. There we have it. Our next 5 contestants, we have our contestant number 110, 111, 112, 13, 14, and 15. And 3, show us your best and spooky ass poses in 3, 2, and 1. Please line up now. And also prepare your kids. 131 to 140.
what is with Shaira? Okay, you also take. And Shaira also have. В Georgi, they not give to you? Авторегистр, авторегистр. Все, кроме. Look like Porsche.
I'd like to thank everyone for attending our University Adventure. So this is our first time in terms of having a more with a continuous or
What is this? Croissant. How much croissant? 90 peso. 90 peso croissant. Hi. Danish 100. Cinnamon, small cinnamon, 50 peso. And this cookies.
Hello.
How much here? Cheesecake have or don't have? Ah, it's ice cream maybe. This is ice cream. This is junior 78 peso only. Large 2.8. Shaira, I want to go to DJI store and to check a new, maybe available new DJI Pocket 3. We're going to DJI store. DJI. Good afternoon. Do you have DJI Pocket 3? No stock. When stock? When available? You don't know?
we have Pocket 2, sir.
I have also Pocket 2. I want to exchange. Okay, thank you. Don't have Pocket 3.
Steadicam.
No, I need only a new camera. About 40,000 peso DJI Pocket 3. It's new model. But already, yes, this one. DJI Pocket 3. This camera.
Oh, you have come.
Yes, I want to buy this. Okay, you can take. Different. This is sensor already 1 inch. It's more better in. Yeah, thank you. Yes, it's if you turn screen, camera already start, and the sensor is 1 inch. Nighttime is good in for nighttime because most of our video in nighttime. So I want to buy this one. Samsung also. In Samsung already don't have new model. In February only, Galaxy new model.
Sabi ko, I don't know if it's
Ага. What you want, Shaira? Coffee? Okay, let's go. What you want, Georgi? Cappuccino. Coffee bean.
sit down ka din. Gusto nila mag-collect. Ayan, take a look.
What is this? Chinese. So many people today. So many.
Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.